Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my favourite function, or one of my favourite functions with the Sony A7 III. And that is, you know you can do like different custom buttons and stuff, but you can also have the custom dials, like the 1 and the 2. So you can set them to like whatever you want. So if you want like 1 to be 24 frames per second, you have that, and then 2 can be your slow motion at 120. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how to set it, and basically how awesome this little function is. Turn the camera on. Make sure the dial is in movie mode. We're going to press menu and go to tab 2, come down to record settings, and I'm going to put it on 25 frames per second. Now I shoot in PAL, so these are my frame rates. If you are shooting NSTC, then you'll have 60, 24 and 120 frames per second. It kind of depends where you are, but basically choose your frame rate accordingly. So 25 frames per second. Then we go to the main screen. We're going to put the shutter speed at 50 and use these conditions right now for our exposure. So bring the ISO down to there. Right, that's good to go. Click. You can also set like picture profiles as well, different functions too. That's good for me. Go back to menu, tab 1, come down, page 3 of 14, come to where it says MR, like camera 1, camera 2, memory, click on that, click on the first one and just press enter, and that has registered our settings. Now, go back to tab 2, come down, record settings, 100 frames per second, back to the main screen, change our shutter speed 200. I'm going to bring our ISO up, get the right exposure. That's good. Now back to the menu, tab 1, come down, page 3, click on there, go to number 2 and just press enter, and that has registered. So now if I go to dial 1, my settings are 25 frames per second, shutter speed is 50, aperture is 2.5 and ISO is 500. And if I go to tab 2, I've got 100 frames per second, shutter speed is 200, aperture is 2.5 and ISO is 2000. So it's that quick from going to shooting normally to slow-mo. Normal, slow-mo. And there we go, it's as simple as that. And you now have your 2 custom dials set to whatever you like. And I've just saved you a ton of time. If this function is new to you and I've just saved you loads of time, please let me know in the comments below. A little like on this video as well, because I think I've brought a little bit of value, hopefully. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. And if you're already part of the channel, thank you for being part of the channel, and make sure notifications are turned on as well. This camera I can see flashing. The battery is about to die, so I'm going to leave it here. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.